come for you in this course, the pharmacology flavor for hyperlipidemia in Palestine. Congratulations for having this chance, and I can say that I'm so proud to be with you in this course. My name is Maram Abdel Nasser Tashtaya. I'm a Palestinian pharmacist, American studies instructor, author and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. Hyperlipidemia is a medicinal expression for abnormal elevated levels of lipids or fats in the blood. Hyperlipidemia can be treated, but it's oftentimes a lifelong situation. You will demand to observe what you eat and also practice orderly. You might also demand to take a prescription medication. Anyway, I'd like to send to you the pharmacology flavor in Palestine by giving the trade names of the drugs which are used in Palestine to give students from the whole of the world the chance to get a glimpse toward famous trade drugs in Palestine. Over and above, this course consists of 4 sections. The first section is a short background about hyperlipidemia, which supplies the following subtitles. What is the definition of hyperlipidemia? Reasons of hyperlipidemia, management of hyperlipidemia, the sequences of hyperlipidemia, lipoprotein composition, and what are the 4 kinds of lipoprotein. The second section is concerning the kinds of cholesterol, and it contains the following subtitles. Triglycerides, but what does HDL cholesterol perform, and what does LDL cholesterol perform? The third section is concerning the lipid standards, and the fourth section is concerning drugs which are utilized to lower lipid standards, and this section includes the following subtitles. What are statins, fibrates, and cholesterol reuptake inhibitor? In summary, this course aims to improve people's knowledge toward the deleterious cholesterol levels. Doing so decreases your danger of heart ailments, stroke, heart attack, and other troubles. The target is to minimize the deleterious cholesterol levels. Doing so decreases your danger of harmful diseases. As known, lipids are usually traveled in the circulation packed in lipoprotein. Diagnosis is formed via blood examination, so if you don't examine, you will not realize. Who this course is for? People from all over the world who are interested in biomedical and pharmaceutical sciences. What you will learn in this course? Having a knowledge for the following points. Background for hyperlipidemia disease is listed in this course by definition, involving datum about this course, involving datum about the causes, symptoms, and pharmacological treatment, the science of drugs, like their treatment, and scientific names, structure, application, and side effects in Palestine. Thank you.